The trial of a former Utica firefighter continued today in Utica City Court. 6 more witnesses were put on the stand by the prosecution. News Channel 2's Caitlin Erla was in the courtroom to bring us details from day 2. Caitlin, good evening once again.
Good evening, Kristen. Today, prosecution called 4 members of the Utica Police Department, 3 of which work in the crime scene unit who handled the evidence from this case, and 2 forensic scientists from the New York State Crime Lab to the stand. Now, just as a recap, Richard Forte is charged with 4th-degree criminal mischief for intentionally causing damage to someone else's property, 3rd-degree criminal tampering for tampering with property of another person with intent to cause substantial inconvenience, and making a false written statement to a Utica police officer. That false statement was read aloud in the courtroom today by the investigator who took that statement. Also during the trial, the prosecution played a recording of that investigator interviewing Forte after the incident was reported. In January 2018, Forte allegedly performed a sexual act onto a female coworker's work pants. The female firefighter says she left her pants in a private room at a department station house. When she found her pants the next day, she saw stains on the inside of them. The pants were taken into evidence and sent to the New York State Crime Lab in Albany to be tested. Those stains were tested positive for semen. The stains were then further analyzed for DNA. 4 people were swabbed for DNA, including that female firefighter who owned the pants and 3 male firefighters, one of them being Forte. The DNA analysis matched the sample taken from Forte. In the video with the investigator, Forte says he never entered the female firefighter's room or touched her pants. He also said he would not agree to a swab test without a lawyer. He mentions that because of the female firefighter's past, he believes she was trying to bring somebody down. In 2010, the same female firefighter reported a sexual assault by another firefighter while at work. She says she decided not to pursue criminal charges, but then later filed a lawsuit with the city for $7 million because she says the city failed to properly investigate her allegations. This trial does continue tomorrow morning in Utica City Court. Kristen, back to you.
Caitlin Erla live tonight. I want to mention that Utica City Court would not allow audio recording of today's proceeding.